iPhone city lockdown ended as Foxconn plant troubles estimated to cost Apple $1 billion a week. Easy. $1 billion a week. You can't even fathom these things. You know what, Will? When we posted this clip, everybody went immediately to China's zero policy.
Oh, boy.
And they were like, yeah, the payment is one thing, but what people are really pissed about is this, because apparently the quarantine rules had changed. And this is big time stuff. We saw the hazmat looking white suits and the police officers over there. And I promise you there's more to the story than I know, and there's more to the story than you know watching this. I realize you spent all afternoon reading about it, but fact of the matter is like,
we're not there.
It's pretty covert, and it's pretty covert. Like, we see this tidbit here, there, and everywhere, and certainly reading more about it, you're going to hopefully get closer, but it is very difficult to feel that you're getting concrete information out of this thing. People were saying it was smoke and mirrors. They were saying, you bring up the payment to sort of divert the attention away. Uh-huh. But either way, it's costing Apple. Either way, it's not good for Apple. Either way, it's not good for China. I mean, feel pretty confident in that. In an attempt to reduce the economic impact of lockdowns, large factories are allowed to remain open by switching to closed-loop production where workers remain in the campus 24/7 for up to a month at a time, sleeping in shared dormitories. Come on, man. Go out. Come on.
You don't like that?
Oh, my God. Come on. No, not the shared dormitory. Workers are allowed to remain on campus 24/7 for a month at a time. Yeah. And I know these campuses are different than a typical work environment, but anybody who hears that is just like,
no one wants that.
My brain is swelling like Will's cheeks at the thought of just being told that you're, I don't know. It's just an uncomfortable proposition. Foxconn initially offered bonuses to persuade workers. Okay, if somebody wants to do it, you get paid more. Then increase them up to tenfold. People still continue to get sick. And as you know, the rest is history. They claim the technical error. The lockdown happens. The protests happen. The protests continue. I'm seeing symbols on Twitter. I'm seeing white paper being waved. It is obviously part of a bigger picture situation going on and part of a bigger frustration happening over there. It's hardly ever you're seeing a protest or conflict where frustration is not present. And I'm talking big picture frustration. So there's a few things that can create that control. Obviously, money can get you there. And certainly confinement can get you there if that's actually what's going on. But these estimates are enormous as far as lost revenue and what it could cost Apple to have this situation extended. Billions of dollars, $1 billion a week burn rate.